So, welcome this morning to another live stream, and what a rally yesterday, right? I mean, it was not bad at all when your favorite stocks like Tesla makes 13%, Virgin Galactic makes 5%, and Apple makes 5%. It was a great day yesterday for many of us out there that following a similar investment idea like we doing here on this channel and investing into those innovators. And it seems like an tech rebound, guys. Okay, we don't know how far it can take us, but it seems that this is now the current trend. And also this morning the futures look flat slash in the green. So I'm super excited for this live stream because we have some very interesting topics, guys. I can promise you that. But first of all, I would like to ask you, maybe smash that like button. Follow me also on Instagram. Wolf of Dubai Danny is my Instagram name. So just put this in your mobile phone and follow me there while you are listening to this stream. And don't forget to follow my second channel as well, Wolf of Dubai 2. We are starting in just a couple of weeks with content there as well, new shows and quite interesting outcome there. And obviously, guys, let me know in the comments below or in the live stream if you're watching this live right now from where you are watching. Okay, as you know, I'm coming from Dubai. I'm living in Dubai, and but we are streaming from good old Germany, and we have a fantastic weather. I'm going after this stream outside to enjoy one of the last summer days. And let me know where you are watching from, because we have people already from Amsterdam. We have people, Don Sixon, saying he's from Spaceport America. This would be quite interesting if this is true. Then we have Kazakhstan. We have Aloha. That's definitely Hawaii. Then we have our member Kevin Poo from Netherlands. We have people from California. We have people from Canada as well, from Hong Kong. We have Robert, our member as well, and also people from Chicago are watching. So all international mix as of this morning. So let's dive into today's agenda. Today's agenda is obviously first some breaking news to start off with. Then we will talk about yesterday's rally. Then I want to talk about Apple, because also later on I want to live cover the Apple event. I think or I know it's at 10 Pacific daytime for all those people that watching from North America, at 10 a.m. Pacific daytime, and this is about 7 p.m. German time, 6 p.m. London time. So I would love to have you all with me watching the new Apple event and see which products are actually coming to the Apple product family. Okay, and then obviously we will talk about some single stocks like Tesla, Virgin Galactic, or Peloton. As you know, I'm following Peloton now, researching a bit and letting you know if I think maybe this is the next 10x opportunity. Let's start with General Motors will unveil their Hummer EV. Okay, so as you know, the Hummer is one of the biggest and more traditional pickups that is out there. You know, I wanted to always have a Hummer when I was a little boy. It's like a dream car. It's this huge, American vehicle, and it's getting an electric vehicle version. And obviously everybody will look into that, and it will get some crap mode. Okay, I don't know what it is. What it is. I know just that the Nikola vehicles have those crap mode as well, but CRAP. But let's see. The unveil will be only online on the 20th of October. So this will be interesting to see what General Motors will unveil there. I hope that those vehicles are not designed by Nikola, right? I hope this is not the part where they have their partnership, that Nikola is designing all their vehicles and General Motors is just the producing party. So let us see. And when we're speaking about General Motors, obviously we have to speak just recently also about Nikola. So they, or there was a Hindenburg research report last Thursday, okay, where they talked about that Nikola is a total fraud. The cars or the trucks couldn't drive by themselves so far, and so on and so forth. So actually, we had there's two things to this story. First of all, Nikola wanted to try to answer and did it so well. So obviously we had yesterday first this huge sell-off, first on Fridays 15%, then pre-hours 15%, in total 30% from recent highs. And then, Trevor Milton and the whole company came out with a statement, and I will show you now what this brought to the stock. Unbelievable gain within the intraday, like 20%, I believe. Let's have a look in a second. But what I wanted to say is that the problem is there that Hindenburg is a short seller of Nikola, and obviously they will bring as much as negative news out there to put pressure on the stock, okay? And therefore the credibility for those reports are obviously semi-high, but still, there's a lot of true things, obviously, as we know, that Nikola is, maybe not those $30 billion company that I believe, it shouldn't have this valuation. Let's have a look. So intraday, so as you can see here, we started very low with 29, and during the day we gained over 20% intraday. So imagine, you would see Nikola losing in the pre-market that you bought some Nikola stock. You could make only yesterday, within one day, 22%. And obviously this is a huge gamble because 13 billion market cap is a huge valuation, guys, okay? They have to really show us a lot of things before we are, until this valuation is even considered to be somehow fair, in my personal opinion. And I think there's a lot of people. Let me know in the comments if you think the same, because I know there's a lot of people always complaining about Nikola. It's a bubble, and it's a fugazi stock, right? When we're talking about Travis Milton or Trevor Milton and the Nikola Express. So let's have a look further into the next breaking news. And as a YouTuber, I can tell you that this is huge, guys. YouTube announced a TikTok competitor in India where TikTok is banned. So as you know, there's yesterday we discussed it on Merger Monday. Nvidia tried to merge TikTok, and Oracle did their announcement of their deal that Oracle will be their US big technology provider. And then you have TikTok, now, how to say it, to be copied, right? I mean, to be honest, it's a copy, right? By Instagram, which rolled out, what is this, a name of their competition? Reels, yeah, so Reels. I think it's quite successful under the Instagram community. And then now YouTube coming out with Shorts, a direct competition to TikTok. So I'm very interested how it will be integrated into the YouTube family. I think that's the right step because I love to make TikToks. They are a fantastic medium, but unfortunately I have so much other things to do that TikTok went a little bit under. And since there was this big, let's say, talks about TikTok going under or being blocked or banned in US, I didn't post that much anymore on TikTok. So I would love to have something similar on YouTube directly, so I can make my YouTube shorts on YouTube and you can enjoy them as well. So I think in general it's a fantastic idea. So let's see how it will roll out and when it will be available in other countries as well. So let's further dive into yesterday's rally. Let's have a look what was good, what was bad yesterday. So Peloton was pretty under pressure yesterday. This was for sure some profit taking, but also there was how you call it, rumors that Apple seems to work on something in the fitness area. So I'm super excited what this will be. Maybe a partnership with Peloton. This would be absolutely insane for Peloton. But other than that, you know, people were also thinking that Apple will come out with a bike or fitness equipment. I don't think so at all, okay? I see Apple at the forefront of electric and connected gadgets, but definitely not in making fitness equipment. And the S&P 500 was plus 1.3%, Virgin Galactic plus 5%, Tesla plus 12.58%, Beyond Meat 6%, Amazon a little bit lower yesterday, the Apple stock 3% just before today's event, then Carnival a little bit positive, and Deutsche Lufthansa also 2% positive as of yesterday, yeah? And today we look a little bit flat, but definitely a little bit positive as well. So I think that it's definitely the focus will be on Apple's event, plus the Federal Open Market Committee's 2-day meeting. We talked about it yesterday, so if you want to know a little bit about that, make sure to watch yesterday's stream. And before we diving into the further topics, let's have a look into the comments. So we have people from Louisiana. Our ROB member Robert Howard is from Louisiana. Then we have Canada, we have Illinois, we have Canada, we have Scotland, we have New Hampshire, we have Hawaii, we have Netherlands, we have Boston, we have Hawaii, we have Belgium, we have Zurich, we have New York as well. Okay, so very international. If you have any questions, guys, just post it in the live stream and I will look into those towards the end of the stream. And let's talk about a little bit about Apple. So Apple at that event that we will live stream today and watch together. If you are joining tonight, it will be fantastic. I will be very happy. It's a fantastic event. The events of Apple, obviously without saying, are the most beautiful events design wise and, you know, wording wise, graphic wise, you know, from the Infinity Loop in Cupertino, obviously live streamed. And we will watch it obviously together, and you know, I will have my live commentary on that. It was super awesome, the last events that we covered, and I love it. And you know, I love your comments. I love if you are interested in my comments. And you know, the analysts or the experts are saying that actually we will not have an iPhone. So it seems that because it was a little bit delayed, or it will be delayed, the iPhone, you will have another event in October specific for the iPhone. So I'm very curious if this is the true, and experts are saying that we should only expect the new iPad Air, so you know, the tablet, and the Apple Watch 6. So I would love to have an Apple Watch 6. I think this is quite interesting because it's becoming a very interesting fitness gadget as well. You know, with the last version of the Apple Watch, you could make a full EKG, which is, you know, heart rate and electronic measures of your body and pulse, and you know, this is obviously very, very interesting. I heard even that some people that use the Apple Watch said to them that there is something not right with their heart, and they didn't even had no idea. So they went to the doctor, and the doctor, you know, confirmed that they had some problems with their heart, and it's good that they had this notification, because then they got some medications and so on. But if they wouldn't had the Apple Watch, then, you know, they would maybe die. So Apple are saving some lives, apparently with the Apple Watch as well. So this is to expect. So let's see. I'm super excited. You know, there's always this one more thing. Maybe here's Robert is asking, will Apple announce something new on the iCar? I mean, they didn't announce anything about the iCar so far, and I think that there's such a huge investment into an iCar that I'm doubting that they want to go this road. Maybe they want to go this road with, you know, subscription, and I heard about Apple One, which is like one subscription with lots and lots of services. So maybe they will introduce something in this area. And then, you know, Apple Car would be amazing. I would love to see an Apple Car, you know, the beauty about the car, but think about what you need to build in terms of infrastructure, in terms of charging, maintenance, sales centers. I don't know if they really will go this road. I think they will explore, and, you know, they're putting, you know, the project, it's called Titan, but I don't think they roll out something because, you know, the manufacturing facilities, you know, investments into battery technology, and then against Tesla and the other car manufacturers. I don't know. You know, I think rather, if you think about 10 years from now, and most of the cars will be self-driving, there need to be some entertainment in your car, right? So I think rather that you will have some Apple glasses, you know, where you just relax and watch some Netflix or Apple TV, and, you know, play some Apple Arcade, rather than having an Apple iCar. But I have no idea. Right? Maybe they come out with an iCar, but I don't think so. I think the probability is very, very low, in my personal view. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. So this event will be live streamed here on this channel. So make sure to stay tuned, and you know, let's talk about a little bit about Tesla. I think yesterday was just, you know, the hunger by so many investors after this big decline because of the capital raise that is now over. Okay, the capital raise, the $5 billion is already raised. So Tesla did it quite fast, and I think that this is obviously very positive for the company, and we had just a rebound yesterday. There was rumors yesterday, I don't know if you heard about it, but Clean Technica, the news website, said that Tesla is working on some smart products like an watch, right? And then Elon Musk actually tweeted or answered that this is totally bullshit, that smartphones and smart gadgets are the thing of the past, and the future are Neuralinks. Okay, quite interesting. I think also this is the future. You know, I think this is the next revolution of smartphones, and I think this will happen in the next 10 years. That towards the end of 2030, maybe 2000. Or actually, I think maybe 2031, 32. So 10 years from now, we will have really Neuralinks that work like a smartphone. So I think this is definitely the future. And then obviously we had also Virgin Galactic, also no big news really, having 5% positive, just, you know, in the overall tech rebound. Virgin Galactic stock thought, you know, let's go higher today. And Peloton yesterday, interestingly, you know, lost a lot, I think 4 or more than 4% during intraday. I think there is, you know, big announcement coming up. So everyone is now waiting. What is the big announcement? If Apple is doing some partnership with Peloton, or it's going into competition, we don't know. But Peloton, you know, as you know, and my members know in my Discord chat, that it's quite interesting to look into those companies. I'm always looking into the next big things, and I think that Peloton can revolutionize how we do fitness at home. So quite interesting. And if you are interested, then maybe join our membership. You can press the join button below all the videos and live streams, and you get access to the Discord or a one-on-one with me. So check it out, and I would look forward to see you there. Other than that, let us have a look into some comments. there is Apple is steady and will show a fair gain in the stock price. Yeah, Apple for me is a stock that you can always buy. It's a huge value, fantastic brand, but they have to innovate, okay? There will be the end at some point for smartphones and they need the next big product. Imagine, Apple went from computer company to music company with the iPad, and iTunes was the biggest revenue stream. Then they went to the mobile gadget market with the smartphone. Actually, they become a mobile phone company, and then they faded. They are now fading into the service company with Apple Arcade, the music, iCloud, and what else is there? Something else, but I don't remember. But so you see that lots and lots of the services are going to bring some revenue to the company. And I think at some point maybe the iPhone will be on subscription basis, but you have to subscribe to all those services, and the phone will be for free. So I'm super excited for the future. Definitely you will be stay tuned here on this channel. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new here, subscribe, and don't forget the content continues on Instagram, so follow me there as well. Wolf of Dubai Danny, very easy to type in. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful Tuesday, and I see you later with my daily vlog and the Apple live stream event.